Winter has come, snow's all around. We blink our eyes and greet the snow with joy, just like that. Close your eyes, imagine a snowman bright, the one I'll build with all my might. The one you'll build, oh what a sight. The one I'll build with all my might. The one you'll build, oh what a sight. Now let's open our eyes and start the fun tonight. We made a snowman. First we rolled snowballs. Left, right, snow's on the ground. Left, right, we spin around. Left, right, snow's on the ground. Left, right, we spin around. Left, right, snow's on the ground. Left, right, we spin around. Just like that. Then we rolled it up and down, up and down. We rolled it round, just like that. The base of the snowman is ready. Close your eyes again. Picture the cheerful face of the snowman. Now we start rolling again, the middle of our snowman. This is how we rolled in a circle. We rolled a snowball. This is how we rolled in a circle. In a circle we roll. Next we shaped the head and hands. This is how we roll. This is how we sculpt the snowman. We roll, roll, we rolled, we sculpt, we sculpt. Look, our snowman is finally ready. Take a good look at him. Take a minute, everyone. Look at him and smile so wide. He is a snow friend with pride. Blink, blink and shake hands. Shake off the snow, let's dance. Let's dance with eyes, with eyes. Blink your eyes, blink your eyes. Whoa, look, the snowman is playing a game. He is hiding, and you follow him. He hid, and then he appeared. Hide appeared. Oh, and a skillful snowman. Hiding appeared, hiding appeared. The snowman is running fast. Quickly now, don't delay. Follow him with your little eyes. Quickly, quickly, catch up with the snowman and snowman. We will close our eyes tightly and relax.